Meet the G3 Evolution, the latest generation of weigh and fill technology from A&B. It's faster, smarter, and designed to maximize your profits. Built to handle high volumes with precision and care, it helps you save time, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. With 16 scales, the G3 packs up to 250 packages per minute, combining speed with precision down to a single fruit, reducing giveaway and increasing profit in every package. The hygienic stainless steel design saves your team valuable cleaning time, while the new ergonomic build ensures easy operation and long-term reliability. Delicate fruit is handled with care thanks to silicone pads, gentle hoppers, and reduced drop heights. The G3 Evolution works with different types of packages, ensuring year-round productivity. Our machine can be also seamlessly integrated with a sorter, tray sealer, or labeler to create a complete packing line. Ready to take your packing to the next level? Contact us today and learn more.